Hi, I'm Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. I've got a tool here that's really cool. It makes foam part manufacturing. I don't want to talk about that today. What I want to talk about is 3D printed brackets like this. So as an old tooling designer, you have to balance cost and function. So these brackets, for example, can cost a lot of money to make, but the functionality, you have to balance that cost and functionality. So with 3D printing, the cool thing is you can print anything, and complexity is free. So you need to think more about function than cost, because anything you think of, you can print. So we don't print with 3D printed plastic. We use 3D print binder jet, which is kind of unique for the 3D printing industry. We have a proprietary resin package that infiltrates the binder print with. It's 100% isotropic in strength, X, Y, and Z, so we don't have any delamination, and they're very strong. So these types of things, these brackets, are a fraction of the cost of a metal process tool, and functionally they work the same.